Hey everyone, I had a few different people asking me for sound files on my calls. I do have some up on my Facebook page, but I want to do an updated version of it. You can see all the colors in front of me that I have available right now on Facebook and on my website, but I also have a smoke barrel cherry pearl insert. This call, it's based off a normal J-frame, but I did make it to where you can get a little bit more aggressive with it. I have some friends out in Arkansas that blow a lot of cut down style calls, so I wanted them to be able to blow my calls as well without locking them up and squealing them out, things like that. They can get aggressive, they can pop like a cut down, but they can also hail and get down and ducky in the feed and the winds, just like your normal J-frame. It's a fun little call to run, so I'll show you what it can do. So that's kind of what it can do, but I also wanted to show you what you can do with it just by putting a different reed in it. Exact same insert, and what I'm going to do is just stick a longer reed in it for those who put a little bit more air through a call or just kind of have a more aggressive style of calling. Again, just by putting literally a hair longer reed in it. You can blow it with like the cut down style like I just did, or you can run it like a normal J-frame. So there it is. I hope I showed what all this call can do. Please, if you have any questions, let me know. Hit me up on Facebook or through the website or whatever's easier. Hope you all are having a good day. Thank you.